Yo, what's up guys? And this is Network. And today we're diving into a full blueprint, a step-by-step master plan on how to properly structure your CPN, how to build it the right way from the very beginning, how to layer public records on top, how to add primaries that actually report, and most importantly, how to position yourself to run up a bag the right way, not the risky way. Because look, anybody can get a score, but building something that lasts, something that doesn't raise flags, doesn't get shut down, doesn't fall apart when lenders start looking deeper, that takes structure, that takes patience, that takes the right foundation. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. We're not offering legal advice. We're not giving you financial direction. We're not telling you what to do. We're showing you what's possible when you move with strategy, structure, and discipline. If you need help with anything we talk about today, you already know. Tap in with us on Discord, and that's where we're building now. That's where the community lives, and that's where you get real setups, real answers, and real structure. The link is in the description. Now let's lock in. Step 1. Structuring your CPN number properly. Before you even think about building a file, before you start adding trade lines, before you sign up for Credit Karma, before you apply for anything, you need to make sure your CPN number is structured properly. Now here's what most people don't know. Social security numbers in the US follow a pattern, and that pattern is based on geography. The first 3 digits of an SSN, that's called the area number. It tells the system where that SSN was issued. So if you say your profile is based in Georgia, but your number starts with digits tied to California or New York, guess what? You just raised a flag. Banks will notice. Lenders will notice. The bureaus will definitely notice. So what do? You match your state to the correct prefix. For Georgia, that's area numbers 252 through 260. For Texas, it's a different range. For New York, it's another range. There's a full chart that breaks it all down, and we've got it inside the Discord. So step 1, pick your state. Step 2, match it with the correct prefix. Step 3, generate a clean, safe 9-digit number that's never been issued before. Now, once you've got your number built, you're going to go to a site called ssn-check.org. This is a free tool that lets you enter your number and verify the format. It'll tell you if the number has been issued, what state it matches, and whether the structure is valid. If everything checks out, you're good. Step 2, building the identity around the number. Now we're going to build out the full identity, because remember, the number by itself means nothing. The system is looking for data points that match, that make sense, and that tell a believable story. Address. First, the address. Do not, and I'm saying this loud and clear, do not use an address that's ever been tied to you personally. Not your house, not your mama's house, not your dorm, not your old apartment, nothing. If you've ever received mail there, it's compromised. Use a clean address, something pulled from Zillow with a good home value, something in a residential zone, not a P.O. box, not a virtual address, not a mailbox at a UPS store. This address is going to be tied to your whole profile, so make it look solid and make it make sense. Phone number. Next, the phone. This is where people get lazy. No text now, no Google Voice, no app numbers. You need to go get a real prepaid phone. From Metro, PCS, Cricket, AT&T, or T-Mobile. Use your CPN address and use your real name when setting it up, and make sure the area code matches the city your CPN is based in. This phone number needs to be legit because lenders do check the phone history. Email address. Then comes your email. Same rule applies. Make it fresh. Don't use anything tied to you. Nothing connected to social media. Nothing you've used on Amazon, PayPal, or any platform before. Just make a brand new Gmail. Something clean, something basic. Think. First name, last name, plus number, and that's it. Step 3, locking in the application identity. Now you've got the number, the address, the phone, and the email, and now we lock in the details you'll be using across all applications, and consistency is everything. Every time you apply, these numbers need to match. Income, $90,000 to $110,000. Time at address, 5 years, 5 months. Job type, self-employed. Time on job, 5 years, 5 months. Do not change these. Don't freestyle. Don't experiment. Keep them consistent and across every application, every site, every platform. That's what builds a believable profile. Step 4, try merging, making the file come alive. Now it's time to wake your file up. Try merging is how you get your CPN file to show up on all 3 bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Here's how we do it. We apply for credit, not to get approved, but to trigger inquiries and data activity. Here's the play. MyAutoLoan.com, auto app, expected denial, that's perfect. BadCreditLoans.com, personal loan, denied again. We want that inquiry. CapitalOne.com, apply for the venture card. AmericanExpress.com, any card, same info. DriveTime.com, auto finance app. RoadLoans.com, another vehicle finance app. If you get approved, ignore it. We're not chasing funding. We're building a profile. These apps hit different bureaus. They create a trail of activity. And within a few days, your file should populate. Check Credit Karma, Experian.com, or Wallet Hub. And when your profile shows up, you're officially live. Step 5, layering public records. This is the part almost nobody talks about, and it's why most people get denied later down the road. Your CPN needs a public footprint, because if lenders pull your file and see nothing in the databases, you look like a ghost. So here's how to fix that. Basic public record moves: opt out prescreen.com, opt in, enter your CPN info, listyourself.net, add your phone and CPN info, SageStream. Go to forms.sagestreamllc.com, fill everything out. These 3 steps give your profile a baseline, and now let's go deeper. Advanced public record layering. Start signing up for reward programs using your CPN info. Outback Rewards, Kroger and Walgreens memberships, airline programs, Delta SkyMiles, Spirit, JetBlue, American Airlines, hotel programs, Marriott Bonvoy, Hilton Honors, retailers, CVS, Foot Locker, Bed Bath & Beyond, Home Depot, AAA Rewards. Why? Because these memberships get scraped by public databases. They build your footprint. They show lenders that you're active in the real world, not just in the credit space. Even better, sign up for renter's insurance using your CPN address with companies like Progressive, State Farm, Liberty Mutual, Assurance, Allstate. And while you're at it, go to job boards like Indeed, ZipRecruiter, and AngelList. Set up job alerts under your CPN identity. That way, when background databases scan your employment history, you show up. Spend 2 full days on public records, layering everything. It makes a huge difference. Step 6, add primary trade lines. And now we're going to add primaries, which means credit lines under your name. These are essential. They show you're managing real accounts, not just writing as an AU. First, Tomo Credit. Go to tomocredit.com/boost. Apply using your CPN identity. If possible, link a real bank account. If everything checks out, they'll report a primary to all 3 bureaus. Second, Kickoff. Go to kickoff.com, apply. They might ask for docs, like a utility bill or a bank statement. If you need help, hit us on Discord. We've got you. Once Kickoff reports, you've got multiple primaries and your file is starting to show real strength. Step 7, monitor and maintain. Now you need to track your file in real time. Set up monitoring accounts at creditkarma.com, Experian.com, WalletHub.com, IdentityIQ.com. This is how you watch your score grow. This is how you track inquiries, new accounts, and alerts. Bonus, AUs, authorized users. If you want to add seasoning to your profile, add 1 or 2 AUs, authorized user trade lines, with 5+ years of age. No more than that. Too many AUs makes your file look fake, and you want just enough to show history or not overwhelm your real primaries. And that's the blueprint. So let's zoom out real quick. You started with a clean state-matched CPN. You built an address, phone, and email around it. You locked in consistent identity details. You tri-merged the file, but you layered public records. You added real primaries, and you monitored your progress, and you seasoned with a few aged AUs. And that's a full structured file, and that's how you move toward real approvals. Not denials, not flags, not freeze letters, but real high-limit results. If you want a fully built setup, same-day scores, public records pre-layered, primaries installed, monitoring ready, hit us up on Discord. This is Network Dash. Build smart, flip smarter, and always remember, leverage over everything.